Hi everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite all of you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see a little bit more about my holistic beliefs and what my master estheticians can do for you. If you're just tuning in, or if you've tuned in before but you haven't subscribed yet, I would ask you to please take a minute, subscribe to this channel, and help me to get the natural or holistic views or ideas that I have and have worked for over 3 decades out to other people that may need them. If you're also just tuning in, I'm 54, almost 55, and I've been a master esthetician for over 32 years. And a lot of what I'm teaching you is about holistic or natural skincare or natural beauty. And I think the biggest thing is that in all the years, I've seen men and women come to me. They can be just the average person, someone famous, young, old, and everybody has the same thing that resonates with them. And that's that they feel insecure, they feel inadequate, or they don't feel that they're living up to the standard that we see in magazines or on television or even on social media. And so when you look at me, I have no foundation on. We do not change these videos. I don't use a ring light. We try to keep things as natural as possible. I do wear a little eyeliner and mascara, and normally I would wear a little lip gloss on my lips. I just like the feeling. But today I'm going to be teaching you about lips and lip lines. A lot of you have been asking me, Lisa, what can I do about the lip lines? And some of you will say, I never even smoked and I feel like I have smoker lines. So here's what I can tell you holistically about the lines. Typically, and I should have probably used a piece of paper, let's imagine that this is your skin and then this is your skin with a line. Okay, so here's your skin and it starts to thicken or callous. And that can be from bad product, from too much sun, my belief is foundation, from just not caring for your skin, or many times doing a lot of treatments on your skin that the skin doesn't like, so it thickens to protect itself. So you've taken your skin from, let's just say, essentially flat, and you've made a deep line, okay? And I like to say that's a river, and the sides of the line are like little mountains. And then imagine that that line gets discolored, or it has old dead dry skin cells in it, so they look a lot darker. And that's what happens on the lines of your lips or your lips under your eyes. It can be anywhere on your body. So one of the things that I like to do is to exfoliate that area. And I'm going to show you a couple techniques, both one will be a product and one will be things that you can do at home. First of all, on clean skin, my skin is already clean, you can take some baking soda. This is just from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to actually show you. So I pour a little bit into this little cup. Now in the shower, I keep it in a little container, and I just put my fingers in it and get it wet. But you'll take the baking soda and you'll get it a little wet, and try to make a little bit of a paste with it, if you will. And then take your lips and just smooth them out like so, wherever you have the issue. And just go in a circular motion all the way around your lip. This works on scar tissue, this works on deep lines, and it's about as close as you're going to get to getting some sort of a microdermabrasion, but this is not professional microdermabrasion. But a lot of my estheticians like to tell clients it's a great way to maintain that. So if you can get microdermabrasion from an esthetician near you, do not use the at-home machines. They are not microdermabrasion, they're filing the skin. So you want them to use a perfectly sphere crystal. Have them go around your lip, have them go around your lines and anywhere, really, stretch marks anywhere. So you'll go around the lip like so, and just work it in a circular motion. And it's not the harder you do it, the better. It's not like that. It's not the more you scrub, the better. Just be really gentle and then wipe it away. And you'll find that the darkness that you had will start to go away. Okay, so that's one way. Now, another way would be, if you're a peach and you have polish, using perfecting polish. And you can do both. You know that I do both. So you take a little bit of perfecting polish and you'll just put this, you notice that I dried my lips first. I actually do this all over my face as well. And you'll do that over the lines. So if you're gonna do both, I like baking soda. Many times I like to do it first, but you can do it really either or. Polish first or baking soda. Work around. You can go on your lips, but I know some people have really chapped lips. So again, just be gentle. I'll go ahead and go right over my lips. And just in a circular motion, and let that sit for a minute. And then take a little bit of water. I always use washcloths, and just work it around in a circular motion. And that is going to start to take the discoloration down. So as the discoloration is taken down and the callus layer, you're lightening in here, you're bringing down your callus layer, and the lines are not going to be as deep. Now, callus layer can take some time. About every 28 to 29 days, our skin changes, and you always want to be in front of that callus layer. Callus layer comes, or thickening of the skin, when you have hurt your skin, damaged your skin doesn't like something you've done, largest organ of the body, and regardless of what you hear, it does kind of say to itself, oh man, I don't like this. I'm gonna protect myself from what's going on or what they're doing to the skin barrier, and your skin thickens. And that's why you need to exfoliate and get rid of that callus layer. So those are two options. You've made the lips a lot smoother all over your lips. You can keep doing this while you're doing it just to make sure you're really getting in that line. Many times when we do dermabrasion, we'll hold a line and get right in there. Another option is to take olive oil. This is just an extra virgin olive oil. I think we either got this at Costco or maybe, I'm not even sure. And you can take a little bit of olive oil, just put that into a little container like so. And some brown sugar. You could probably use a little bit of white sugar as well. I'm pretty sure that would work as well. I just typically have always done brown sugar. I actually used to make my own body sugar scrub with brown sugar. And then you can take that. And again, smooth out your lip, work it around, get right on the lip and go all the way around. Now, could you do all three of these? Absolutely. I would actually suggest exfoliating with baking soda or getting rid of the callus layer, then using your polish, and then taking your brown sugar scrub and just letting it sit and moisturize your lips. I suppose you could just lick it off or wipe it off like so. The next thing is to, you can mask your lips. And if you are a peach, you have Miracle Mask, or look for an enzymatic mask like a pumpkin, a papaya. Make sure the ingredients are something you can read. And maybe once a day, especially if you feel like you really have those lines, you've done all of these processes, you've exfoliated, take some Miracle Mask and just put it all the way around your lip. Just like so. And the cool thing about Miracle Mask is you can actually put it on to where no one sees it. So you could leave that on for hours. The enzymatic properties of pumpkin, papaya, eat away at the old tissue or dead skin cells. Just like a Pac-Man game, they just eat away at it. And those dead skin cells are what make you look dull, make your lines look deeper, make your skin thicker and calloused, and also make them look darker inside. And then when you're done, you can just wipe it off. Now, the cool thing about pumpkin and papaya, you will feel a little tingling. Absolutely normal. We have the most nerves on our face. You're going to feel it. People have asked me about cold sores with Miracle Mask. I use lysine to prevent cold sores because I can get them easily, but it won't do that. It may bring out things that are underneath your skin. We do most of our damage between the age of 21, 22. This is a published study, and for the rest of our lives, that damage is coming out. And we re-damage things, but it's really coming out. Miracle Mask is, when a client uses it, one of their most favorite products. So finding an enzymatic mask is really important and can really help. Lastly, we started carrying the Hanalei product. I love it. I swear by it. It is on our website. And what you do with this is think of it as a sugar scrub that's already ready to go. I put it on every night before bed. It's got kukui oil, a little sugar, and I just work it around my lips. And I actually take a minute to really work it around, and I leave it on while I read my book. So I guess anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, maybe longer. It tastes really good, so it doesn't bug me. You can see already how my lips look red, and they look like blood flow is going to them. And then right before bed, I don't even really wipe it off. I think by then I've maybe even done this and put some on my hands. So I'll just show you what I do. I should probably show you guys a nighttime regime, but I don't know if we can get all the cameras in the room. And just like so. And then I take their lip treatment, and they do have several colors of this. I chose to just go with a clear, and I'll just take the lip treatment and put it all over my lips. And I have been amazed at how much fuller they feel. Now, several videos back, I showed you a little collagen ointment or a little collagen lip treatment, but for some reason it's not on Amazon anymore, so I apologize if that link hasn't been working. I love Hanalei. They are out of Hawaii, and they make an excellent product that is very clean and pure. Those are a couple suggestions. As we age, we lose some color in our lips. Find a lip liner that you love. Find a lip gloss you love, a lipstick. Many lipsticks give me, there's something in them and I start to feel a little nauseous, but I love to use lip glosses. I use them every day, even under my mask, just because my lips get very dry and chapsticks and things don't work for me. Keep that area exfoliated, and you will see a difference the first time you do this. I absolutely guarantee it. I hope this helped. I hope it gives you one more thing to make you feel confident about yourself and feel beautiful about yourself. I know a lot of women have told me before, some men, that they hate those lip lines because they don't want someone to think they ever smoked. But you can get rid of them. Remember, the callus layer is a real thing. Remember, new tissue coming up is a real thing. And I am here to help you stay beautiful naturally.